Ever get that sinking feeling when your phone bill arrives? You know, the one that details all those international calls you made? Or the endless minutes spent catching up with friends and family across the country? Yeah, us too. These days, with the rise of video chatting and messaging apps, you might be wondering, is there even a point to traditional phone calls anymore? Well, for some things, a good old-fashioned phone conversation can't be beat. But what if you could ditch the crazy phone bills and still make those calls? That's where Vonage comes in. Vonage is a voice over internet protocol, VoIP, service. Basically, it lets you make and receive phone calls using your internet connection instead of a traditional phone line. Sounds pretty futuristic, right? But the real question is, can you use your everyday phone with Vonage? Or do you need some fancy special device? Let's bust some myths and dive into the world of making calls over the internet Vonage style. Hold up, can my phone actually do that? This is the million-dollar question, isn't it? The good news is yes. In most cases, you can absolutely use your regular smartphone with Vonage. As long as your phone has a decent internet connection, think Wi-Fi or a strong data plan, you're good to go. Vonage offers a mobile app that essentially turns your phone into a VoIP phone. Once you download the app, set up your account, and link it to your existing phone number, you can even get a new Vonage number if you prefer. You're ready to make calls. It's pretty straightforward, and most importantly, it saves you from juggling two separate devices. But wait, there's more. Now, there are a few things to keep in mind. While most smartphones are compatible with Vonage, it's always a good idea to check their website for a list of supported devices. This way, you can avoid any surprises down the line. Additionally, call quality can depend on your internet connection. If your Wi-Fi is constantly cutting out, or your data plan is weak, your calls might suffer. So, before you ditch your landline completely, make sure you have a reliable internet connection at home. Making the most of your mobile Vonage. So, you've got Vonage set up on your phone, and you're ready to conquer the world of internet calls. Here are some cool things you can do. Calling international. This is where Vonage truly shines. With their various international calling plans, you can chat with friends and family overseas without breaking the bank. No more sticker shock on your next phone bill. Free calls between Vonage users. Calling another Vonage user, no matter where they are in the world, is completely free. This is a fantastic way to stay connected with people who also use the service. Take your number with you. Switching to Vonage doesn't mean giving up your existing phone number. You can easily port your number over to Vonage, so your friends and family can still reach you the same way. Is Vonage on your phone the right choice? Vonage on your phone is a great option for anyone who wants to save money on calls, especially international ones. It's also perfect for people who travel frequently and want to stay connected without worrying about roaming charges. However, if you have a landline that you're deeply attached to, or your internet connection is less than stellar, Vonage might not be the best fit. Ultimately, the decision comes down to your individual needs and phone habits. But hey, with the convenience of using your regular phone and the potential cost savings, Vonage is definitely worth considering. So, ditch those expensive phone bills and explore the world of VoIP calls. With Vonage on your phone, you can stay connected without breaking the bank. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,